Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make date truffles. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of pitted dates, ideally medjool for their soft texture. Next, prepare 1/4 cup of your favorite nuts, like almonds or walnuts, for a delightful crunch. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder and 1 tablespoon of a liquid sweetener, such as maple syrup, to enhance the taste. These simple components are the foundation of delicious truffles. Now, let's blend everything together. Place your pitted dates, nuts, cocoa powder, and liquid sweetener into a food processor. Pulse the mixture until it starts to come together. You'll want to scrape down the sides a few times to ensure all ingredients are thoroughly combined. Continue processing until a sticky, uniform dough forms that holds its shape when you press it between your fingers. This is the perfect consistency for your truffles. With your truffle mixture ready, it's time to shape them. Take small portions of the dough, about 1 tablespoon each, and roll them into smooth 1-inch balls between your palms. For coating, you have several delicious options. Roll them in extra cocoa powder for a classic look, or try shredded coconut for a tropical twist. Finely chopped nuts also add a wonderful texture. Place your beautifully coated truffles on a parchment-lined tray. Finally, to ensure your truffles are perfectly firm, place the tray in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This chilling time allows them to set properly and makes them easier to handle and enjoy. Once firm, transfer your date truffles to an airtight container. They will stay fresh in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. These delightful, healthy treats are now ready to be savored whenever you desire a sweet, guilt-free snack.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.